Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a lot different and definitely a big change. No backdrop today. I'm sitting on my bed to do this video just because I wanted to kind of chit chat with you guys and share some exciting news with you. I did write everything down so that I would not forget it and so things aren't all over the place. I'm going to go over a couple ideas that I've had just to share with you guys and to give you guys some insight into the future of what I'm thinking and what I'm planning on doing. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first things first, I was going to do a live Facebook and live Instagram video on this instead of making a whole YouTube video about it, but it would be forever long because I have so much to talk about and I don't want it to be too lengthy, but I do want to interact with you guys. So if you do have any comments or suggestions or recommendations, please leave them down below in the comments. Lately, if you've watched some of my videos, I've been in a creative rut. I just can't seem to come up with videos and content that I like personally. Like I've said before, if you've seen my previous video, I kind of go into detail about that, and it's been going on for 2 months. It's following something that happened in my personal life and it's just kind of slowed me down on things. Well, I'm trying to get there. I really am truly trying, but it's just hard. I am starting to get some inspiration. I am moving forward with that, but right now I'm still kind of in slow motion. So the first thing that I want to talk about are future video ideas and give you kind of an insight into the future on what I plan on recording and making and creating for you guys. Right now I have a huge list of things that I want to do. Some are seasonal, some are just whenever kind of things. One of the things that I filmed was a wedding day makeup tutorial, and I really enjoyed how the look turned out. I really liked it, but I didn't like the rest of the video. I'm still contemplating on whether to post that or not. I may end up posting it just because it's already done and it would be something for you guys to watch, but it is like a full glam wedding makeup tutorial. But I have planned to post that. I also want to do one that's more on the simpler side because I know a lot of people don't like to go full glam for that. Next, even though this video hasn't been requested, I never show my eyebrow routine in my makeup tutorials anymore because I'm terrible with eyebrows. I have no idea how to do them. I just do my own thing. But I figured I would maybe do a brow tutorial, like how I do my eyebrows, not saying that it's the right way, but just how I do mine. And I also thought about doing a video on how I did my makeup in high school. And even though I only graduated 2 years ago, I've changed my makeup style. It's completely different. I've completely changed the way I do my makeup since I've been in high school. Some other ideas that I have, I want to start doing some hair tutorials because the more I get into makeup videos, I hear more people say, I don't know how to French braid, I don't know how to fishtail braid, I don't know how to do this braid, that braid, Dutch braid, all these braids and all these hairstyles. Nobody knows where to start. So I might do a how to French braid tutorial and then lead into other tutorials with that, but maybe start out slow and just see how that goes. I like to watch videos on that because I used to never be able to French braid my own hair or any hair to begin with, and now I can because I watched videos on how to do it. So I do want to help anybody who needs help learning how to do that. I think that would be a really cool idea. I have a couple other braid tutorials and hair tutorials, like I said. Another thing that I'm really wanting to do before summer is over are summer must-haves and summer favorites. Just things that are beauty related and lifestyle related, things that I think I could not live without in the summertime, or things that I really enjoyed in the summertime. I actually will be probably creating a video pretty soon on that. So I'm not going to share all of my ideas with you because it's literally a page long, like a literal page long. But I do want to kind of give you guys some insight as to what's to come. I want to do some summer makeup tutorials. I want to do some self-tanner videos. I have a lot of makeup tutorials, a lot of review videos, dupe videos, a lot of DIY videos coming up, so keep an eye out for that. I know a lot of you guys saw my Halloween makeup tutorial looks last year. I want to do more of those. I know that I can't be doing them all the time because it's not Halloween, but I really like those and I think you guys really enjoy them because they're exciting and they're different and they're just fun to watch. Let me know if you guys would like to see that also. All in all, I just have a lot of video ideas, a lot of good ones, a lot of interesting ones, and a lot of new video ideas that I haven't even done on my channel yet. I only have like less than 20 videos, so I have a lot of room for improvement, a lot of room to create more content for you guys to watch, and then I'll kind of be able to tell what videos you guys like and what videos you guys kind of don't like, and that'll help me and it'll help you also. I am going to be creating some content for you guys very soon, so please don't get discouraged if you're waiting for a video. I'm coming. I'm on my way. I'm getting there. Another idea that I have is pretty much just for my personal business, and that is a couple different things. I've kind of piggybacked off of my friend Annie from Annie K Photography. If you haven't checked her out, I'll leave her information down below in the description. Check her out. She's awesome. She's an amazing photographer. I have more than a billion things good to say about her, so check her out. But I've kind of piggybacked off her ideas, things that she's doing with her business, and we've been kind of working together to figure some things out, and that I will be sharing with you in a couple minutes. But first, I wanted to just kind of run through this really quick. I know you guys want to see vlogs, and I am getting on that. It's very hard for me to do though. I don't do anything exciting but go to school and come home. So I'm trying to wait for days that I'm off to make a vlog for several days and post it up for you guys. I know in one of my Instagram polls, a lot of you said that you wanted to see vlogs, so I am still thinking about that. I haven't forgot about it. I'm just having trouble getting something exciting to show you guys. I want to do a reward card where every few times that you book with me, every so many times, you get a session free, whether it be for hair, makeup, or both. I think that would be so cool. And I also want to do, like, for weddings, if you book with me for a wedding, maybe you get another session free just for like an everyday kind of makeup thing. I'm still kind of thinking on that and debating on exactly how I want to do that, but that is an idea that I have, is to do a reward card, because I know a lot of my customers are continuous and they keep coming back and giving me their business, and I really appreciate that. So I want to kind of reward you guys for coming to me and give you guys props for coming to me, and I want to help you guys out any way that I can. So I think that would be a really cool idea. This next idea is for those of you who tag me and refer me to other people. What I want to do is, if you tag me in something on Facebook, say someone's looking for a makeup artist, if you tag me in their post and they end up booking with me, you get $10 off and that client gets $10 off. So it's a win-win. You will both get $10 off. Just an idea, something that I want to do, because a lot of people refer me over and over to multiple people on their Facebook, and I really, really appreciate that. Another discount idea that I have was for people after they have a session with me, whether it be hair, makeup, or both, if they leave a review down in the review section on my business page and give a description of kind of like how their time was with me, how their look turned out, how they feel about my business and the look that was created for them, you guys will get a discount. I also want to do something like that because a lot of people take the time to do reviews on my business page, and I appreciate that because that looks so well for people coming in saying, oh, this is good or this is bad or whatever. It helps people to decide whether they want to book me or not, and that feedback really helps myself and other people. Also, it won't be held against you if you leave a negative comment or you leave a suggestive comment. It will not be held against you. You will get a discount just for leaving a review with me. It will be like one review per person, and it'll be one discount per person. I do have business cards made, but I'm only going to hand those out to those of you who book with me and have a session with me. I really don't have that many made right now, but I can always make more if need be. Something I've been working on, this has been going on for several months. I've been working on t-shirt giveaways. I don't know if you guys remember me saying I wanted to do a t-shirt giveaway. This was months and months ago, but I do want to do a t-shirt giveaway. I'm not going to use my business name. I solely want to use my YouTube name and do a shirt based on my YouTube name. So if you have any ideas, any recommendations for that, please leave it down below, because I've had several ideas and they just haven't worked out. I've had several designs that I've created myself and I just don't like them. So I'm trying to figure out something that everybody will like and is kind of universal for everybody. So this next thing that I want to talk about is very exciting for me, and it's been a dream for me to do, and it's finally coming true. I'm teaming up with Annie K Photography. So we are planning on doing a model photo shoot for my YouTube channel, solely for the purpose of my YouTube channel. And what we're going to do is pick 4 to 6 models. I haven't decided how many I want yet, and I have to still consult that and work the details out with Annie. Each model will get a theme. We have a ton of different themes to work with, and I will be doing each person's hair and makeup. We will be doing several different poses. We'll be going to several different locations, hopefully, and getting a lot of good images for advertising purposes, and each model will get to take probably about 3 to 4 pictures with them. They'll get to keep them. So it'll be pretty cool to do that. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I have a lot of theme ideas, so we're still kind of working that out, when and how. The way that we're going to select the models, like I said, there will be 4 to 6 of them. We're going to run kind of like a giveaway, as you will, on Instagram, Facebook. You will get a couple different tries to enter, and you will get rules on how to enter, blah blah blah. It'll just be like the giveaway that I've done before. You'll get rules on what to do, and you'll be entered for the giveaway. All of the models will be chosen at random. I just think it'll be really fun, really cool. It's really exciting, and I can't wait to share everything else with you guys. Okay guys, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me sharing some of my ideas and thoughts for the near future. Hopefully I can get some of those video ideas up and running for you guys, and I will be letting you guys know when the model photo shoot giveaway will be. Like I said, we're still working on some details for that, but it is coming soon. I'm so excited to share that with you guys, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am to move forward on this channel. With that being said, if you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!